Hey, Sean's Boosted Garage here with you, coming at you from underneath my car. I'm just going to remove this pilot bearing, and I thought I'd do a garage quick tip. So there's two ways you can get this out. You can get some kind of puller that would get inside this hole here and pull it out, or you can fill it with grease. I've heard people use bread, anything to fill that cavity, and then get something that'll fit really kind of a tight, not a tight fit, but a close fit. And the hydraulic pressure that you create by putting, I'm going to use a socket actually, but you could put a rod or whatever in there, and then you hit it with a hammer, and the hydraulic pressure created by hitting it with a hammer should drive this bearing out. So anyways, stand by. We'll see if we can do that. So I'm just using my grease gun here, and I'm just going to fill that up. Okay. So this is a 12mm socket, and an extension. I put there. A lot of the grease is going to go up in there, so I don't know if I can get my. It's going to be a mess, but okay. Hope you can see this okay, because it's awkward. But so what's happening is the grease, it's just pushing out past here. So I'm gonna have to get something. I don't know if I got a solid rod around here or not. Anyways, I'm gonna try to find something that's doesn't have any hole in it, and that will fit in there. So anyways, we'll see what happens. So I got a 3/8 extension. Let's try this. You can already see it. See, it wants to bounce back out. So there's a good seal there. This is messy. Oh, see it moving? Fill it back up. Put that back in there. It's not the cleanest job in the world, but if you're stuck and you've got the right tool, this will do the trick. Put that back in there. It's not the cleanest job in the world, but if you're stuck and you've got the right tool, this will do the trick. is slowly making its way out. There we go. It worked. There. There's a whole bunch of grease in there. Clean that out. But that's a way of getting a pilot bearing out, or any kind of bearing you got in a blind hole that you got to get out and you don't have the right puller. This will do the trick. It just takes some patience and a little bit of ingenuity, I guess. I didn't have, you know, if I was at work, I'd machine something that fit in there really well and was a solid bar and all that stuff, but I don't have that ability here at home, so I found this extension that fit just right. Anyways, hope you found that helpful, and we'll see you next time.